Everyone, our group including Prakhar, Ashwin, Ashutosh, Chetan, Alia, and we are discussing about the topic of economics poverty. One fifth of world's poor live in India. In the world, it's around 300 million poor people. Dimensions of poverty, levels of income and consumption, social indicators, vulnerability of to risk, social political access. Poor. Pushcart vendors, cobblers, rake pickers, beggars, possess few assets, reside in kachatments, landless or owner of dry wasteland, starvation and hunger, lack skills and basic literacy, limited economic opportunities, unstable employment, malnutrition and ill health, chronic indebtedness, no access to safe drinking water.
Categorizing poverty. Chronic poor. Always a poor. Living in backward areas. Usually poor. Casual workers sometimes may have little more money. Transient poor. Turning poor. Regularly move in and out of poverty. Small farmers and seasonal workers. Occasionally poor. Are rich most of the time but sometimes may have patch of bad luck. The poverty line. Based on monetary value of minimum calorie intake. 2400 calories per person per day. Rural areas. 2100 calories per person per day. Urban areas. Monetary value 2011 and 12. Rupees 1000 per month in urban areas. Rupees 816 per month rural areas.
The number of poor in India. Head count ratio. Number of poor is estimated as the proportion of the people below the poverty line. 1973 to 74, 54.9% to 80% in rural area. 1993 to 1994, 36%. 1999, 26.1%. 2004 to 2005, 21.8%. 2011 to 2012, 22% to 75% in villages. Criticism. It group all poor together does not differentiate between very poor and other poor. Does not take into consideration accessibility to basic education, health care, drinking water, sanitation, lack of civil and political freedom, discrimination.
Yes, poverty, individual poverty, low level of education and skills, ill health and sickness, discrimination, social, economic and political inequality, social exclusion, unemployment, indebtedness. Aggregate poverty, sum of individual poverty, low capital formation, lack of infrastructure, lack of demand, pressure of population, lack of social welfare nets, poor are deprived of quality education.
Causes of poverty, colonial policies, negative impact on economy and standard of living, deindustrialization. India became exporter of food grains and importer of finished goods. 26 million people died in famines between 1875 and 1990. High taxes imposed on farmers. Even today, large part of small farmers are poor, less fertile land, dependence on rainfall, rapid growth of population.
No alternative sources of employment, small and non-viable land holdings, migration of rural poor to urban areas, industries failed to absorb poor people's step, rising the price of food, grains and other essential goods, unequal distribution of assets and income, poverty alleviation programs, growth-oriented approach, rapid industrialization and green revolution, 5-year plans, creation of incremental assets and employment generation to provide minimum basic amenities to peoples.